Oh, hi there. We have a guest today. Hey, what's your name?
Ayman.
Ayman. Nice. Good to see you, Ayman. We're going to make a quick accounting video. It's about the profit and loss. Ayman. Now, Ayman came to me. He bought this apple from me. £1. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's yours.
Ayman.
Now, what Ayman going to do? Ayman going to go outside and Ayman going to sell it to the people, and he told the people, oh, this is a nice apple. If you eat this apple, you'll be healthy, wealthy, and stronger, right? Okay. And you sold it for how much you would like to sell it for, Ayman?
£3.
£3, right? Okay, Ayman, so can you please tell me, did you make a profit or loss? You made a
Profit.
Oh, brilliant. And how much profit is there?
£2.
£2 profit. Guys, you understand the profit and loss? Yeah? Right, so £1 apple. Ayman sold it for £2. Oh, no, £3, my bad. £3. Ayman made a profit of £2. You see, income and expenses is important for any business, isn't it, Ayman? If you overspend, you cannot pay rents and bills. You need to make money, whether you're selling this apple or you're selling that apple, isn't it? Steve Jobs, the founder of this Apple, he does the same thing, income and expenses. Thank you, Mr. Ayman, for coming us into the video and doing a little bit of accounting. Say goodbye to our...
Goodbye.
Thank you.